Let's start. Best of luck.
If James had studied harder, he at Harvard now. A. Would study. B. Would be studying. C. Would have studied. Sophia said she'd to Paris the following week. A. Goes. B. Was going. C. Had gone. Liam is capable solving complex math problems. A. Of. B. In. C. For. Either Robert or his friends responsible for this mess. A. Is. B. Are. C. B. Mateo enjoys reading, writing, and poetry. A. To compose. B. Composing. C. Compose. If Chloe hadn't missed her flight, she and Sydney by now. A. Would have been. B. Would be. C. Was. Elizabeth said that she already finished her report. A. Has. B. Had. C. Was. Pierre is fond visiting old castles in France. A. About. B. Of. C. At. Neither Liam nor his teammates ready for the match. A. Was. B. Were. C. B. James likes jogging, hiking, and in the park. A. To swim. B. Swimming. C. Swim. If Sophia had saved more, she a house in Rome now. A. Would have bought. B. Would buy. C. Would be buying. Finn said that either project by the weekend. A. Will finish. B. Would finish. C. Finishes. Elizabeth is afraid flying over the ocean. A. For. B. Of. C. At. One of the students presenting today. A. Are. B. Is. C, were? Chloe prefers dancing to in public. A, sing. B, singing. C, to sing. If Robert had left earlier, he's stuck in traffic now. A, wouldn't be. B, wouldn't have been. C, wasn't. Mateo said the test results soon. A, will receive. B, would receive. C, had received. Liam is responsible organizing the event. A, about. B, for. C, on. Neither the teacher nor the students aware of the schedule. A, was. B, were. C, be. Sophia likes to read novels, watch movies, and museums. A, visiting. B, to visit. C, visited. If Finn had taken the train, he reached Perth by now. A, would have. B, would be. C, would have been. Elizabeth said that she had a car before moving to Los Angeles. A, bought. B, had bought. C, was buying. Pierre isn't very good remembering names. A, about. B, at. C, with. Either Chloe or her friends bringing dessert. A, are. B, is. C, be. Robert enjoys running, swimming, and basketball. A, play. B, playing. C, to play. If Mateo had known, he that mistake. A, wouldn't make. B, wouldn't have made. C, didn't make. Finn said the news before anyone else. A, hears. B, had heard. C, was hearing. James is excited starting his new job in New York City. A. About. B. For. C. At. Neither Sophia nor her sisters coming to the party. A. Are. B. Is. C. Was. Liam enjoys painting, sketching, and sculptures. A. Making. B. To make. C. Make. If Robert had practiced more, he better now. A. Would be playing. B. Would play. C. Would have played. Pierre said he had the concert tickets already. A. Had booked. B. Booked. C. Has booked. Chloe is tired hearing the same excuses. A. Of. B. At. C. For. One of my friends going to Houston next week. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. Sophia likes baking, gardening, and new recipes. A. Try. B. To try. C. Trying. If Finn had stayed longer, he more about Sydney life. A. Would learn. B. Would have learned. C. Would be learning. James said he to Los Angeles 2 years ago. A. Moved. B. Had moved. C. Moves. Matteo is interested studying architecture in Rome. A. In. B. On. C. For. Neither Liam nor his cousins planning to leave. A. Was. B. Were. C. Be. Elizabeth enjoys reading, painting, and music. A. Listening to. B. To listen. C. Listen. If Pierre had trained earlier, he's stronger now. A. Would have been. B. Would be. C. Will be. Chloe said she already eaten lunch. A. Has. B. Had. C. Will have. Robert is proud his accomplishments in New York. A. About. B. Of. C. For. Either Sophia or her brothers cleaning the kitchen. A. Is. B. Are. C. B. Liam loves running, climbing, and mountains. A. To hike. B. Hiking. C. Hike. If Elizabeth had worked harder, she promoted by now. A. Would have been. B. Would be. C. Will be. Mateo said he is degree by next year. A. Will complete. B. Would complete. C. Completes. Finn is afraid missing the last bus. A. Of. B. From. C. At. Neither the manager nor the employees aware of the update. A. Was. B. Were. C. B. Sophia likes hiking, swimming, and yoga on weekends. A. To practice. B. Practicing. C. Practice.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.